Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble a Rubik's Cube safely. A megaminx safely. So, let's just get into it. So first what you have to do is twist it like 45 degrees or something, just to make it to where it's in the middle about. And then you just want to pry your finger under an edge piece, not a corner piece, and you can just take it out. See, really easy. And it's out. Now, I would recommend like sorting these because they're not fun to sort like before. So, yeah. You could also get a marker or a pencil to do this. Like, you could just do this. Like, pencil under it. I don't know the right thing. But you could do it with anything. Let's keep doing that to the first layer. If everything falls out, it's fine. It's supposed to do that. So, again, I'm sorting these. So, there's that. So, once those are all out, you can just kind of take the corners out. It's not that hard. You just take them out. It won't damage it or anything. And don't you dare say that I'm just taking it apart because I don't know how to solve it. I do. So by then everything will just start coming out by itself. So once you have like the white layer done, kind of, you can just pry everything up. Like, do this carefully, but I would just like trim the corners to the white side up. There. Again, organize these before you take all the pieces out. Just there. Put it there. Alright. There. There. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos. I hate those YouTubers who are like, go subscribe in the next 5 seconds or you're going to die tomorrow. Like, those videos suck. But just subscribe if you want to. You don't have to. But I'm not going to say it would help me because it doesn't. I don't make any money, but it would just be cool. Oh. Okay, there's another corner. Edge piece. You could skip ahead if you want to. I'm going to do a 3x3 next, which I'm probably just going to record after this. So the megaminx is really cool, actually. So that's why I'm taking it apart, because I feel like it's not something you would really speed on, and if you do, then it's cool. But I usually don't like speeding the cubes. I just like knowing how to solve them. So yeah. Sister was playing with this. Now, dude, they're all dirty, the pieces. The reason I'm making this video is because I know how to do it, and because it wasn't turning right. It was like it was making weird sounds, and I turned it. And I know why, because there's a bunch of pencil dust in it. I don't know why there is. And it's not because of that pencil. Okay. But here's what it should look like. The center is pretty cool, as you can see. And you can see all the sides. Okay, so once you've done all that, you can start with any side. I'm going to start with white. So you want to put the side that you're starting with on the top. And then you just want to get a white piece. It could be any color. But I have white and yellow, so you might want to find that. And now that I have white and yellow, I'll just slip it in there. Like that. Now, you could put it at the side and then just put it in there like that. So once that is done, it'll become easier. But when that is done, you want to get another white piece next to it. So yellow, so the next thing would be purple. So let me find a white and purple. Here it is. White and purple. And then you just want to slide it in there like yellow. And now that two of them are next to each other, you can find the corner. So we're looking for white, yellow, and purple. So now that you found that, you could just slide it in that slot with white facing up because that's the side that's up. And then you want to put it on your side so that white does not fall out, because it will fall out. So now that that is in there, oh shoot, okay, now that that's in there, you want to find a purple and yellow piece. So let's see, purple and yellow right here. And then you want to put it under that corner piece that you just put. And just like that, corner piece is done. So that's like a little chunk of it. So you just want to keep working. So blue and white. So it's kind of blue and white piece right here. Most of you have probably clicked off the video. Like, probably gonna be like, oh, I know how to do it now. So, but so slide that in. It might get a little bit frustrating if some of the pieces fall out. It's happened to me before. So now it's like this. Again, you want to get the corner piece, so white, yellow, and blue, because it matches. So white, yellow, and blue is right here. So you just want to slide that in there. Yep. And just put it sideways. Now you want to find the yellow and blue, because yellow and blue. So let's find the yellow and blue. It's right here, as you can see. So you want to put that in. Some of these pieces might start to fall out, so just don't get frustrated, just put them back in. So white is almost finished. There's like a nice chunk of it, so let's just keep working on it. White and red is next. So you can see right there, white and red. Put this in. Okay, now I want to find white, blue, and red. And then you just want to slide that in. Right there. Put it on the side. And then you want to find the blue and red because it matches. So blue and red. And put it in there. And now, there we go. More of the white is becoming solved. Now we just have green. So green and white. Right. Here it is. Right here. Then you just want to slide that green in. There you go. So there's it. And then you want to find the green, white, and red. Or green, white, and purple, doesn't matter. But I'll be doing green, white, and red. I know, space. Here's green, white, and red. Slide that in. And then you want to find the red and green. These will get harder to put in as you go along if you just slip. Yep, okay, I got it in. And then now there should be only one side left for you. If you don't, try to go back in the video. But we're already at 10 minutes. Wow. Okay, so I just have one corner to fill. Let's find that corner. I don't see it. Purple, green. There it is, okay. Purple, green, and white. Just want to slide that in. Put it on the side. And then put the green and purple. Bam. Okay, now the white should be solved. All the way solved for me. If you don't have it solved, again, go back in the video and recheck. But now that that is solved, you can do whatever you want now. So you could just get a different side. I'll be doing red. So let's see. So now we're doing red. So I have red and beige. I mean tan. Red and tan. That looks like yellow on the camera, but it's not. Okay, now it's pitch black outside. Okay, so now that you have red and tan, you can just slide that in there. Like that. And then there's a corner piece right there. Supposed to be. So you want red, green, and tan. So find the piece. It's right here. And then you just want to slide it in. Yep, there we are. And now you just want to put that piece in there to hold it, which is green and tan, right here. There we go. So now there's like a little 3 pieces there. So let's do red and pink, and that will be it until you have to do the corners. So red and pink, it's right here. As you can see, red and pink, and then you just want to insert it. There we go. If a piece starts to fall off, just put it back. So, okay. Now we need to find another corner piece. Red, pink, and tan. So red, pink, and tan right here. Now you just want to put that in. Insert it. Okay. Now, last but not least, for the pink and red, just put this piece in, the little tan and red, to hold that in place. There we go. Now, so the last thing we have to do for red is put that corner and something to hold it. So, let's see, pink, red, and blue. Pink, red, and blue. I don't see it. Pink, red, and blue. Right here. Again, you just want to slide that piece in. Like that. And you just want to put something to hold it. So, pink and blue. And put that in. Yep, there you go. So now white and red are finished. So that should finish like 4 other colors. Not finish it, but help it. So now, since red is finished, I'll do green right next to it. So you might have to do this a lot because it's actually really time consuming. If you have nothing else to do, I would recommend doing this because I do it a lot. It's really fun. It's my third or fourth time doing this, so I decided to make a video on it. So now you need green, green, tan and light blue. Just slide it in there. You might have to do it from different angles, but slide it in. There we go. And now, last but not least, we just need to put that little thing in. So when you, this might be a little bit gross, but when you start to cube a lot, your cubes get kind of like gross with skin scales and stuff like that. So I usually clean it when I do this. So I did for my 3x3. All I did not wash the core, but what I did wash was the I have the corn piece, slid it in, but I just put all the pieces. Oh, well, this is for kiwi cubes, yeah. They are made out of plastic, so you could do it with them, but I just put it in the sink and filled it up and put a thing of soap. I don't know what you're supposed to do if you have a stickered cube, because I hate stickered cubes. They suck, because the stickers eventually peel off, unless they don't. But I'll show you how to take the 3x3 off. Okay, so now we need a piece to hold this one in. Put it in. And now green is finished. Blue, green, red. Now I just need to do blue. I'll do blue at least. Put the green and blue in there. We're just doing the bottom layer right now. Right there. And then we need to do blue, pink, and green. Blue, pink, and green. And you need to put a piece to hold it. Now, I'm almost out of pieces, so that means I'm getting it towards the end. Again, if you don't understand this, try to go back. I'm doing it a little bit faster out of context now because I've been doing it throughout the whole video. So, this piece, because matches. Boom, boom, boom. Slide that in. Put that. Put a piece to hold it in place. There you go. Okay, so now we have white, green, red, and blue. I'm going to finish purple and yellow, just for the bottom layer to be finished. So I'm not even really going to talk about this last part. I'm just going to, so if you guys are about to leave because I'm not going to talk much, don't, because, or you could just fast forward to the end of the video where I'll show you how to put in the last piece, because it's hard to put in the last piece. So I would just skip to that part in the video, unless you're nice and want to watch all of it, but, so I would just skip to that part if I were you. Now, if you're still here, you should see that I have every single one done, well, except for these, but I have everything done but the top layer. So now I just need to finish the top layer, and I could like spin it around by holding the top layer. So gray should be the last one. And at this point, it looks pretty cool when you look inside of it. So now what you want to do is just get your last pieces and do what you've been doing. I'll finish off with orange because it's a vibrant color. I mean, bright color. So now it's a little bit more challenging just to get the corner pieces in. The edge pieces aren't that hard actually, but the corner pieces are. Pieces are dirty. Okay, we're finally to the last pieces. So you want to get your edge. Do not put in your corner and then your edge and then your corner. Put your corner in first. So just enter that right. Okay, this is not cooperating. There we go. Okay, now you should have the two last pieces. So, alright, so now what you want to do is just spread these out and put it in there. So, it's pretty hard to do with one person. So, I'm going to try to do it with me, but I might have to do something else. Just want to shove it. Okay, it's not going. I need someone to hold this open. But you have probably already done it. So your cube shouldn't be damaged at all. As you can see, it still turns really good actually. So there's no reason to be worried if you do it. So thanks for watching. Again, like if the video helped you. And have a nice rest of your day. Bye.